So I just wanted to bring you guys along and share with you a couple of pros in regards to why people should always go with a screen enclosure in the state of Florida. There's multiple different options and there's multiple different pros to this. So for instance, if you're in an area that has a lot of different landscape, trees, birds, different things of that nature, you're actually protecting your patio that you have installed from all those elements. You're also ensuring that the person cleaning the pool is easier to maintain. You're not constantly digging stuff out. With this project, we just went ahead with your basic screen fabric, but there is multiple different options. You could get, UV protectant with how hot the state of Florida is. You want to make sure, if you're sensitive to the sun or you just want to have a little bit shadier of a spot, they offer multiple different types of screen that can be installed. The price is obviously a little bit more, but you are getting that satisfaction of making sure you're protecting not only your body, but your project from the different elements. With this project, we had to go with a 2-story screen enclosure to make everything look seamless and fluent in this backyard. We installed a super gutter to ensure all the water that's coming down from the 2-story roof has outlets on both sides to make sure that back here isn't going to flood and we have different situations. The screen enclosure obviously is perforated and there will be rain that allows to come through. But yeah, so it's important in the state of Florida, man, to just go ahead and bite the bullet and get a screen enclosure. You'll save yourself, money in the long run when it comes to taking care of the project, making sure that the pavers, if you do seal them, you're not fighting a battle of constantly having to have somebody clean it or yourself clean it. It's important to make sure you get a great product. Everything that, you are in the works of trying to solve, it's making sure that the area is comfortable. You want some type of privacy screen if you're in an area that doesn't have a fence and you want to make sure that the people in your pool have some privacy back here. That's also capable of doing, making sure, you pick the right screen to ensure that the UV rays that are coming from the sun, we all know that's a very, very hot thing. You want to get those things. You go through the line. You make sure that the product selection is what you are ensuring that you want. It's going to solve your issues. There's multiple different options with the screen enclosure. You could do insulated roofs to where the roof is not perforable and it's not going to leak on you to where you don't have to worry. The only thing with that is it does cost a little bit more, but it does give you the shaded and protected look as over here. This insulated roof is going to deem as a sitting area to where when the climates are fluctuating from rain to shiny to sunny to everything, you got an area no matter what. If you want to enjoy the space back here, you can go ahead and sit under that insulated roof. It's just important when you're going through this phase of your project to just do your due diligence, follow up on exactly what you want, have the contractor that you're working with understand your needs and your wants, and just being able to get the product and the finished look of what exactly you want installed. Just the pros of having a screen enclosure in the state of Florida, you'll save yourself in the long run, just be a better area to be comfortable and be more enjoyable.